set against the backdrop of the serene and majestic hills of Malkangiri district. This school is a haven of learning and natural beauty. The surrounding not only captivate the eyes but also provide a peaceful and inspiring environment for the students. The school features a vibrant flower garden that adds life and color to the campus. Various types of flowers bloom here, including the fragrant roses, the bright and cheerful marigolds, the charming and vibrant zinnias, and many others. These flowers create a refreshing and joyful atmosphere for everyone. The school has a fascinating letter garden where letters from different languages are creatively displayed. This garden promotes multilingual learning and cultural appreciations, encouraging students to explore and celebrate linguistic diversity. The new tree garden serves as a practical learning space where students are introduced to the importance of nutrition and sustainable agriculture. The presence of medical plants helps students understand the traditional wisdom of natural healing and the role of biodiversity in our lives. The walls of the school are alive with creativity, adorned with paintings that reflect the themes of Ghana, building as learning aids. These vibrant visuals not only beautify the space but also serve as an educational tool, sparking curiosity and learning at every corner. The school is well equipped with a proper hand washing area, promoting hygiene and good health among the students. A designed cooking area ensures that meals are prepared in a clean and safe environment. Accessibility is a key feature with ramps thoughtfully designed to ensure that every student, regardless of ability, feels welcome and included. This school stands as a shining example of how education can be holistic, inclusive, and deeply connected to the environment. It fosters both academic and personal growth in a nurturing atmosphere, empowering students to dream big and achieve their